How to fix Outlook 7 ITA 9 error? Something went wrong in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this error code. Note that the solutions are equally applicable to Outlook, Microsoft Teams, and OneDrive. Now follow the steps. First of all, disconnect your work or school account. For this, click on Start, select Settings, go to Accounts, scroll down, and click on Access Work or School. In this section, if any account is connected, then click here Disconnect. Disconnect button will be showing here. If connected to work or school account, then close the Settings app. The next method you should try is remove your account from Credential Manager. For this, click on Search, type Credential Manager, click on the result, find your user account in this list. Suppose this is the user account, then remove it. Click on the remove link and select yes on confirmation pop-up. Now try to launch the Outlook and check if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, then sign out of Office and again log into the application. Open a Word document. Click on File. Select Account over here. Click on Sign Out. On the Sign Out of Office pop-up, click on Sign Out. Then click on Sign In. Enter your email ID or phone number. Click on Next. Enter PIN. After signing in, check if the issue is fixed. Open the Outlook application. On the Outlook application, click on Settings icon. For your email account, click on Manage. Scroll down and click on Remove. Click on Remove here. Then log in again. If this method doesn't work, then go to Settings, Accounts, click on Your Info, click on Manage Your Accounts here. In Microsoft Edge, the account will open. Click on this icon and select Sign Out. After completely signed out, sign back in. Then try to launch Outlook. The error pop-up should disappear. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.